Well, today I got in this Wurkkos little flashlight. Could be an everyday carry. It's got 680 lumina, 180 meter beam, RGB multicolor lights, and it's only 46 grams, lightweight. Let's open her up. I think I'm going to take her out tonight. I got to go check out the slough in the dark, the water. It's got a spotlight mode. It's got the right button power on off option, RGB light mode, flip top dust cover charge with a Type-C cable. So first off, it's a little readme card. Tells you all the functions of the light. And as always, a nice user manual. Read through that. Charge cable. A little lanyard. And the flashlight itself. And it's my favorite color, green. Made out of good, looks like aluminum. Waterproof, made well. Different colors. Charge port. On the side, got the spotlight. So I'll take it out tonight and we'll see how well it lights up the path. Be right back. That's on bright. It lights up pretty good. Not sure how well you can see it on the GoPro. There's the strobe. SOS. That's the dimmer setting. Off. Blue light. Flashing. Red. Blue. Oh, the kitty cat's following me. Hey, puss puss. Yeah, so it really lights up good, especially on the bright. I think it'll work well. Canadian Dreamer out.